Welcome to our channel Drive Easy. In this video we will discuss safe tires for your vehicle. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Driving is a daily routine for many of us. It's a necessary part of life. But it's also a big responsibility. Safety should always be a top priority. One of the key factors in ensuring a safe ride is having the right tires. In this video, we'll explore the topic of the safest tires for your vehicle. We'll look at what makes a tire safe, the top tire brands you can trust, and how to maintain your tires for optimal safety. Don't ignore the importance of your vehicle's tires. They're your first line of defense on the road. Let's find out all about the safest tires for your car. Importance of choosing safe tires. Choosing safe tires for your car is essential for maintaining optimal driving performance and ensuring your safety on the road. Here we will explore the impact of tire safety on driving performance and the risks associated with driving with unsafe tires. Impact of tire safety on driving performance. When it comes to driving, your tires play a crucial role in how your vehicle performs on the road. Safe tires provide better traction, allowing your car to grip the road surface effectively. This means improved handling, especially during turns and sudden maneuvers. With safe tires, you can have better control over your vehicle, reducing the risk of accidents. Furthermore, safe tires contribute to a smoother and more comfortable ride. They absorb road imperfections, reducing vibrations and noise. This not only enhances your driving experience but also prevents unnecessary wear and tear on other components of your car, such as the suspension system. Risks of driving with unsafe tires. Driving with unsafe tires poses significant risks to both you and other road users. One of the most significant dangers is compromised traction. Worn out or underinflated tires have reduced grip on the road, especially in wet or icy conditions. This increases the likelihood of skidding or hydroplaning, making it difficult to maneuver your vehicle safely. Unsafe tires also affect your braking distance. When tires are worn out, it takes longer for your vehicle to come to a complete stop. This can be extremely dangerous, especially in emergency situations where split-second reactions are crucial. Moreover, driving with unsafe tires increases the chances of experiencing a tire blowout. A blowout can cause a sudden loss of control, leading to accidents or collisions. It can also result in damage to your car's rims, suspension, and other components. Regularly inspecting your tires and replacing them when necessary is vital to avoid this risk. Understanding tire safety ratings. Tire safety is of utmost importance when it comes to ensuring the overall safety of your vehicle. One key aspect of tire safety is understanding tire safety ratings. Basics of tire safety ratings. Tire safety ratings provide valuable information about the performance and safety characteristics of a particular tire. They are designed to help consumers make informed decisions when purchasing new tires for their vehicles. These ratings are typically displayed on the sidewall of the tire and are standardized across all tire manufacturers. The most common tire safety ratings include 1. Treadwear rating. This rating indicates the expected lifespan of the tire's tread. A higher treadwear rating implies a longer-lasting tire. 2. Traction rating. This rating measures the tire's ability to grip the road in wet conditions. It evaluates the tire's ability to stop on wet surfaces, providing an indication of its overall traction performance. 3. Temperature rating. This rating assesses the tire's ability to dissipate heat and resist heat-related degradation. It is an important factor to consider, especially for vehicles that frequently operate at high speeds or in hot climates. Factors considered in tire safety ratings. Tire safety ratings are determined through rigorous testing and evaluation. Various factors are taken into account to assess the performance and safety of a tire. These factors include 1. Tread compound. The type of rubber compound used in the tire's tread greatly affects its performance. Different compounds offer varying levels of grip, durability, and resistance to heat. 2. Tread pattern. The design of the tire's tread pattern influences its traction on different road surfaces. Deep grooves and channels help to evacuate water, providing better wet traction. 3. Construction. The tire's construction, including the materials used and the way they are layered, impacts its strength, stability, and overall performance. Radial tires, for example, offer better handling and comfort compared to bias ply tires. 4. Testing and certification. Tire safety ratings are not self-proclaimed. They are assigned by independent testing organizations. These organizations conduct extensive tests to evaluate a tire's performance in various conditions and assign appropriate ratings based on the results. Understanding tire safety ratings empowers you as a consumer to make informed decisions when selecting the safest tires for your car. By considering factors such as treadwear rating, traction rating, temperature rating, tread compound, tread pattern, construction, and testing certification, you can confidently choose tires that meet your specific safety requirements. The following sections of this video will go deeper into other aspects of tire safety, including proper tire maintenance, tire pressure monitoring systems, and the importance of regular tire inspections. Key features of safe tires. When it comes to choosing the safest tires for your car, there are several key features that you should keep in mind. These features not only enhance your driving experience but also play a crucial role in ensuring your safety on the road. Let us look at the 4 important aspects to consider when evaluating the safety of tires: traction and grip, braking distance, stability and handling, as well as wet and dry performance. Traction and grip. One of the primary factors that contribute to safe tire performance is traction and grip. Tires with excellent traction provide better control over your vehicle, especially in challenging road conditions. Whether you encounter wet surfaces, loose gravel, or snowy roads, having tires with high traction ensures that your car maintains stability and reduces the risk of skidding or sliding. Braking distance. Another critical feature to consider when evaluating tire safety is braking distance. The braking distance refers to the distance your vehicle travels from the moment you apply the brakes until it comes to a complete stop. Safe tires are designed to offer shorter braking distances, allowing you to respond quickly to unexpected situations on the road. The ability to stop your vehicle promptly can make a significant difference in avoiding accidents and minimizing the severity of collisions. Stability and handling. Safe tires also provide stability and improved handling, contributing to a smoother and more controlled driving experience. Tires with good stability ensure that your car remains balanced during maneuvers, reducing the risk of rollovers or loss of control. Additionally, tires with enhanced handling characteristics allow for precise steering response, making it easier to navigate sharp turns or sudden lane changes. Wet and dry performance. Lastly, evaluating the wet and dry performance of tires is essential for ensuring safety on the road. Safe tires excel in both wet and dry conditions, offering reliable grip regardless of the weather. Wet performance refers to a tire's ability to maintain traction on wet surfaces, preventing hydroplaning and promoting better control. On the other hand, dry performance encompasses a tire's grip on dry roads, providing optimal traction for efficient acceleration and responsive braking. By considering these features of safe tires, you can make a well-informed decision when selecting the best tires for your vehicle. Remember, prioritizing traction and grip, braking distance, stability and handling, as well as wet and dry performance will significantly enhance your safety on the road. Keep watching as we give you additional information on choosing safe tires for your vehicle. Types of safe tires. When it comes to ensuring the safety of your car, choosing the right tires is crucial. Different types of tires are designed to perform optimally in specific weather conditions and driving styles. All-season tires. All-season tires are designed to provide reliable performance in a wide range of weather conditions. They are a popular choice for everyday driving as they offer a balance between grip, traction, and longevity. These tires are designed to perform well in both wet and dry conditions, making them suitable for regions with mild to moderate climates. All-season tires typically have a versatile tread pattern that ensures good traction on various road surfaces. Summer tires. Summer tires are manufactured to deliver great performance in warm and dry conditions. They are also known as performance tires. These tires are engineered with a specialized rubber compound that offers superior grip and traction on hot pavements. With their aggressive tread patterns, summer tires provide enhanced cornering stability and responsive handling. However, it's important to note that summer tires may not perform optimally in cold or wet conditions, making them more suitable for regions with predominantly warm climates. Winter tires. Winter tires are specially made to provide traction and control in icy conditions. They're known as snow tires. These tires feature a compound that is flexible even in freezing temperatures, making sure of strong grip even on slippery roads. Additionally, winter tires have deeper tread patterns with specialized grooves and suppies that help to channel away snow and slush, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. If you live in an area with harsh winters, investing in winter tires can greatly enhance your safety on the road. Performance tires. Performance tires are designed for drivers seeking enhanced handling, agility, and responsiveness. These tires are commonly used in sports cars and high-performance vehicles. With their advanced rubber compounds and tread patterns, performance tires provide excellent grip on both dry and wet surfaces, allowing for precise cornering and braking. However, it's important to note that performance tires may sacrifice some durability and tread life for improved performance. Touring tires. Touring tires are designed to offer a comfortable and smooth ride, making them a popular choice for long-distance driving. These tires prioritize comfort, noise reduction, and fuel efficiency. With their optimized tread patterns and sidewall construction, touring tires provide a quiet and comfortable driving experience. While they may not offer the same level of performance as other specialized tires, touring tires excel in providing a balanced combination of comfort and safety. Choosing the right type of tire for your car depends on various factors, including your local climate, driving habits, and vehicle type. It's essential to consider these factors and consult with a tire professional to ensure you select the best tires that prioritize safety and performance for your specific needs. Tips for choosing safe tires. When it comes to ensuring your safety on the road, choosing the right tires for your car is of paramount importance. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make a decision. However, by following these tips, you can confidently select the safest tires for your vehicle. Recommended tire size and type for your vehicle. One of the first things you should consider when choosing tires is the recommended size and type for your specific vehicle. The size of your tires can greatly impact your car's performance and safety. To find the right size, you can refer to your car's owner manual or check the information on the sidewall of your current tires. Each vehicle has specific tire size requirements, and using the wrong size can affect your car's handling, braking, and fuel efficiency. Additionally, you must also consider the type of tire suitable for your driving conditions. For example, if you frequently drive in snowy or icy conditions, you may need winter tires to ensure optimal traction. Checking for tire labels and certifications. To further ensure the safety of your tires, it's crucial to check for labels and certifications. It is requirement of the DOT, Department of Transportation in America, that all tires sold in that country meet specific safety standards. Look for the DOT markings on the sidewall, which indicate that the tire has undergone rigorous testing and meets the necessary requirements. All sensible governments around the world have requirements for vehicle operation. In addition to DOT markings, you should also look for certifications from reputable organizations such as the RMA, the Rubber Manufacturers Association, and the TRAC, the Tire and Rubber Association of Canada. These certifications validate that the tires have been tested for quality and performance. Reading reviews and ratings. Before making a final decision, it's a good idea to read reviews and ratings of the tires you are considering. Online platforms, such as consumer review websites and forums, provide valuable insights from other drivers who have already used these tires. Pay attention to their comments on safety, durability, and performance in various weather conditions. While reviews can be helpful, it's important to consider a wide range of opinions and not solely rely on a single review. Look for patterns in feedback and consider the overall consensus. This will give you a better understanding of the tire's performance and help you make an informed decision. Seeking professional advice. If you're still unsure about which tires to choose, it's always beneficial to seek professional advice. Tire specialists or mechanics can provide expert guidance based on your specific driving needs and preferences. They can take into account factors such as your driving habits, local climate conditions, and budget to recommend the safest and most suitable tires for your car. By consulting with professionals, you can gain valuable insights and be confident in your tire selection. They can also assist you with any questions you may have regarding tire maintenance, tire pressure, and other related topics. Remember, your tires are the only point of contact between your car and the road. Investing in high-quality, safe tires is essential for your overall driving experience and, most importantly, your safety. In conclusion, when it comes to ensuring your safety on the road, choosing the right tires for your car is of utmost importance. The safest tires are those that are specifically designed for your vehicle, taking into consideration factors such as the size, load capacity, and type of driving you do. Additionally, tires with superior traction, excellent braking capabilities, and good wet and dry grip are essential for optimal performance in various weather conditions. Remember to regularly check your tire pressure, rotate your tires, and replace them when necessary to maintain their safety and longevity. By investing in the safest tires for your car, you can have peace of mind knowing that you are taking the necessary steps to protect yourself and your passengers while on the road. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to share, comment, like and subscribe to our channel.